Oh, I like that finish. Ooh, this is a pretty one. I like it. All right, guys, we just got some Fender Japan right from Tokyo, and so we're gonna bust in and see what we got. And I'm a little bit nervous because the box is a little squishy squashy. Okay. All right. Man, my Fender Japan partner did it again. You kidding me? You guys understand how cool Kit Kats from Japan are? Shing. Fender Japan jazz bass, candy apple red. So it is it's a jazz bass, of course, but 62, so it's like a 62 reissue. And this one's really clean. Yeah, I mean, I don't really see hardly any marks on this one at all. So if you're looking for a nice solid bass, these are Fender Japan. Just always surprises me with the quality. You got a cool vintage strap with this one too, so neat. The more I'm looking at this, I think these might all be Fender Japan basses. Actually, I'm wrong. This is definitely not a bass, so there goes my theory. Ooh, this is a pretty one. Wasn't sure if I'd get this one in today's shipment. So it's a Fender Japan traditional Jaguar, but this is a special edition, and specifically it's a 60s reissue with that pearl finish, and this one is brand new. So if you're looking for something that's really blingy, and this one actually also has the rosewood fretboard, which you don't see a whole lot, but it's a really nice looking rosewood fretboard. Yeah, really nice Jaguar. We don't get Jaguars real often. Another jazz bass. So it's a 60s reissued jazz bass in that Fiesta red, which, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of the Fiesta red. It's actually, I personally prefer Fiesta red to the candy apple red. Just a really, kind of like a cool reddish, orangish kind of color they have on it. Really nice neck. I mean, it's got a little bit of play wear. Looks like we had a cover here that's been taken off. But another really good, solid Fender Japan bass. All right. I bet it's a Fender bass. And it is. Oh, I like that finish. That's really nice. Yeah. Look at that headstock. Those fretboard inlays. And that body finish there, it's kind of like a walnut. You have the 3-bolt neck plate here. So specifically, it's a 70s reissue. And this one is a traditional series, and it is a FSR, so it's a Fender Special Run. So yeah, these would have been made in limited quantities. So yeah, it's a really cool addition to the stack here. All right. Okay, so this is kind of like the brother to the one we saw earlier, except this one's a Mustang instead of a Jaguar. But this is that 60s traditional with that pearl finish again and the gold hardware. And again, it's brand new. You don't really see these appear in the US market very much, so we've been apt to try to get a couple of these in stock. I love the way, I like the way they did the bridge there. Really neat with all the lettering, the Fender. Yeah, it's really nice. Oh wow, yeah. This is probably my favorite bass finish thus far. It's a really nice blue color there. So this is yet again another JB62, so a 62 reissue. Again, I really like the way that red tortoise pickguard kind of plays off this sort of like deeper blue color. It's a really pretty bass. We got 2 more. I like it. I like that a lot. That's really interesting. So I don't have a lot of info on this one, but looking at this right here is a clue. I think this is a 50s Fender Japan bass. precision bass, and it's kind of got that sort of tobacco sunburst with the red pickguard. I'm not positive the pickguard is original, so we'll pop the hood on this one later and see what we got going on there. But nonetheless, a cool bass. Whether it was original or not, I do like the way that red pickguard looks on the tobacco burst, and it's nice. And the 50, I feel like I see a lot more of the 60s basses than the 50s basses. So it's cool to get the 50s in as well. We're gonna end on a guitar. We've gotten one of these before, so this is actually the second time we've gotten this. But this is a Burgundy Mist Stratocaster with that matching headstock. Really like to see that. It's a really pretty guitar. So specifically, it is an ST62, which again, that just means it's a 62 reissue. And it also has the Texas Special pickups, just like our other one. In fact, I think our other one's right here, so try not to get confused, but look at that. Look how pretty they look together. I love it. Hopefully I put the right one back up on the wall there. We mostly got basses today. A couple of these, the Pearl Jaguar and Mustangs with the gold hardware, which those are really great guitars too. So let's pick like the top, let's go top three. Top three, my favorite of today is this jazz bass with that finish. I just really like the way it looks. I don't know that I've seen this finish very often. Yeah, it just feels nice, and I like the 60s basses. Number two, we'll say, we'll tie the Jaguar and the Mustang together just because they're really pretty guitars. And again, we don't get Jaguars and Mustangs very often. But then truthfully, for my last favorite pick for today, I actually really like this jazz bass in Fiesta Red. I don't know what it is about the Fiesta Red, it just kind of calls to me a little bit. Really nice Fiesta Red finish. So, cool. Let me play on one of these basses real quick. All right guys, that's it for today. So if you like this kind of content, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next unboxing.